What up, dog? We got BC out here doing alignment on the RSX. You know, we're doing that backyard alignment, holding the wheel straight for Humvee. Hopefully I'll be able to drive straight now.
Guess the fair's tomorrow.
Is it?
Yeah.
Allen County Fair?
Yeah, she wants to go to the fair, I guess. Allen County Fair. It's here.
I didn't know that though. Allen County Fair.
And so I cried so hard when I'm lying in bed just to get it out what's in my head. And I
Got that boy Tristan working hard out here. Let's go. And there he goes. About 5 o'clock in the morning. Update though. What's going on down there though?
Whole bunch of chafing.
Boy going ham. He's been on this for the past 5 hours.
Past 5 hours, past 5 years.
Hey, it's Tristan. That's the homeboy. Hey. Got Steven. Hey. Got J Dog. What up, dog? Oh shoot. I do vlogging now. I do. I vlog. Yeah. Because we're going to end up making millions off of YouTube here soon. So.
Everybody's doing it, right?
Why not?
Do it, everybody can do it.
Yeah.
That's what to try.
Screw it.
You only live once.
Just don't be camera shy, man. You're like, oh my gosh, why I got more camera? We got the old homeboy working on his car. Look at that. Boom. On the camera. You look too.
I thought about it. So does it shoot like a GoPro too?
Yeah. But it's steady, it's rock steady. So I don't have to do any type of stabilization or anything.
Okay.
Like I can go right into the computer, edit it, upload it immediately. Yeah. Show them what you're working with. You're about to open up your own shop.
I'm doing all that.
Boy, yeah, you are. What do you mean? We done got them started.
Yeah, I'm ready to be done. 4 years later.
It's gonna be that one meme with that 350Z with that old dude. You just now finishing your build? In that one. Oh boy. Yeah, check out the whip. Hey. It's mint. big old neck. Don't want to mess up that fender already. It's already messed up enough.
On the O'Reilly side, the right side of the racetrack, we have Joe Gill, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. In the 1989
Watch your feet. Watch your feet.
Where the hoop?
I got one. Real quick, everybody, just so you know, both the left and right sides of this rod have exhaust on them. Both sides. Hey, what's your name? Where are you from? Buffalo, New York, Nick. Buffalo, New York, Nick. I'm getting the heck out of the way. What size turbos? 82 turbos. You want to back your car up a little bit? Let it back up a little bit. Now you give it up. Hey, pull forward a little bit. Pull forward a little bit. We don't want Alright. Alright, Tim. Alright. Do your thing.
Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. You know what I'm saying? Going home with the homeboy. He likes them chicken nuggets, though. Ah! But, dude, this video is going to be like all over the place. About time this gets uploaded.